So hello students, so here we have a question. This is one of the very important question. So you can see here, from the given figure, find the value of sin x, cot square x minus cosec square x, sec y and tan square y minus 1 by cos square y. So here we have a triangle. So we have two triangles are there, okay, and obviously there has to be a right angle triangle. So this one is your 90 degree, okay, so this one is your 90 degree. So if you'll see nicely, they had given an angle x, okay. So already I have told you the opposite of this 90 degree is your hypotenuse, that means this is your hypotenuse. So opposite of this angle is your perpendicular and this is your base, okay. If I'll see this angle y, so this is here we have 90 degrees, so 90 degree opposite is your hypotenuse. So first let's do first with this triangle, then second we have to do with this triangle. So in this triangle we have to find the value of hypotenuse. So we'll start with solution given. So they had given us triangle, so we have a, so we are taking this triangle, so here is your 90 degree, okay. So as already I have told you, opposite of angle is always your perpendicular. So therefore what you have here is perpendicular. P is equal to how much we have? 4. Okay, so this is for angle x. So you can write here for angle x. Okay, so for angle x, perpendicular is my 4. This will be my base. So base is how much? Base is my 3. So what we don't have is your h. H is my question mark. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. Now as you know, we have to do by Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. This question carries 4 marks, okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, you know that the formula is h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, so this will be a h square equals to, what is the value of p? P is my 4 square plus b is my 3 square. So this I can write h square equals to 4 square is 16 plus 3 3 is 9. So this will be your h square equals to 16 plus 9 is your 25. So therefore h will be under root 25. Square root 25 means it will be 5. So already I have told you plus minus it will come, since its length, so length always has to be positive. So I got h is equals to 5. So I got this h equals to 5. So you can write here 5. Okay, so in figure also you can write 5. So I got the hypotenuse. Now we have to go with this another triangle also. So with this triangle also we have to find the, we don't have base. Okay, so let's make the figure. So here we have another triangle. This angle is given y, and the value of this is your 4, and this is your 12, and obviously this is your 90 degree. Okay, so this is for angle y. If you write this way, it will be easy. Okay, so for angle y, so opposite of angle is always your perpendicular. So perpendicular is my, perpendicular is how much? It's my 4, and always the 90 degree opposite is your hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is how much? 12, and base I don't know, so base it will be question mark. So obviously what I have to use? By Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you know the formula. What is the formula? You can write like this: p square plus b square equals to h square. Okay, I'm writing this way, it's same thing only. Why I'm writing this way is that because we have to find b, so I'll take p other side. Okay, that's why I'm writing this way. So p square is how much? 4 square plus b square will be b square equals to h square. H square is your 12 square. So therefore I can write directly b square. So 12 12s are 144. So now this plus 4 square, when you go that side will minus, so 4 square is your 16. So b square equals to, so 144 minus 16, how much it will be? So it will be 128. So therefore b is equal to square root of 128. So I think so it 128, it will not come in square here, so we have to do LCM. So let's do here 128 LCM. So 128 LCM, so it will be 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16s are 2, 8s are 2, 4s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are. So how many 2s we got? You can see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 2s are there. So square root 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so as you know, that's in square root, what happens is that we have to make a pair. So instead of 2 it will come 1, 2 outside. So this 2 also, 2 will come outside. This 2 also, it will come outside. Now this 2 is alone, so it will be inside only. Okay, root 2. So how much? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So I got how much? 8 root 2. So I got the value of base is here. So I can write here 8 root 2. So you can write in the figure also how much I got. This is your 8 root 2. Okay, so for angle B, so for angle X we got 4, 3 and 5. For angle Y we got 4, 12 and 8 root 2. Okay, now you can find the value of this. Okay, so this part is only a little bit lengthy and difficult. Okay, but you have to be very much careful while doing the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now let's find the value of sin X and all. So number one, we have what you have to find the value of sin X. Sin X. So as you know the formula now, I think so you have been perfect with the formula. Sin X will be some people have. Okay, so X means you have to go to the X only. So people is how much? 4 and hypotenuse is how much? 5. So the answer will be 4 by 5. Okay, if it will be Y, then you have to go this Y. If it will be X, then you have to go with this. Okay, now number 2, what do you have? Number 2 is your cot of X. So cot of X is your reciprocal of tan. So tan permanently black, so it will reciprocal means it will be opposite like this. Okay, permanently black, tan reciprocal. So perpendicular is how much? 4, base is how much? 3 upon 4. So this will be a 3 upon 4. Number 2 answer also I got it. Okay, number 3, what you have here? We have cot square X minus cosec square X. So cot square X. So obviously cot X I have here 3 by 4. So I can write directly 3 by 4 whole square. Okay, minus cosec. Cosec is the reciprocal of sine. So directly you can write reciprocal. That means this will be a 5 by 4 whole square. Okay, or you can use the PBH formula only in this also. Okay, but if you use this reciprocal one, means what happens is that you'll know this formula. Okay, nicely. So now what happens is that now we'll do the square of this. 3 square is your 9, 4 square is your 16, minus 5 square is your 25, and 4 square is your 16. Okay, so now we have to do the LCM. So this will be a 16 will be the LCM. So this will 9 minus 25. So 9 minus 25 is your 16, minus 16 upon 16. So obviously this will get cancelled. 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. But what we have is there, we have minus. So this will be your minus 1. This is my answer. Hope you are clear with this. Okay, so cot X, so directly 3 by 4 I put it here. Sec X. Okay, sec X, what is sec X? Sec X is the reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal means just opposite, so it will be 5 by 4. And since it's square, it's square. Okay, hope you are clear with this. Now number 4, what you have is that number 4, so it's your sec Y. Okay, so sec is a reciprocal of cos. Yeah, so curly brown hair. So reciprocal means you will write opposite brown hair. Okay, so Y is there, that means we have to put the value of this. So what is the value of H? H is my 12. And what is the value of B? B is my 8 root 2. Okay, now you can cancel this by 4. You can cancel 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so what I got? So I got 3 by 2 root 2. Okay, so here we got the answer. Number 5, what you have? We have to find the value of tan square y minus 1 by cos square y. Okay, so what we can do here is that tan square y. Okay, so tan, you know the formula is your turns permanently black. Yeah, turns permanently black. So this I can write square minus, or you can use the reciprocal also. Okay, so 1 by cos. So 1 by cos also you can write as sec. So you can use that way also. So curly brown hair. So I am showing you in a longer way. Okay, so you can use that reciprocal also. P, so y is there. So P means here 4. And what is my B? B is my 8 root 2. What you have? It's your whole square. So whole square will be there. Minus 1 is there. Since again it's y, so we have to use y. B is how much? 8 root 2, so it will be 8 root 2 whole 8 root 2 by what do you have? H is how much? 12, so this will be a 12, and this will be your whole square. Okay, so now use the whole square. So 4 square, 4 4s are 16. This will be your 8 square. 8 square is your 64, and into root 2 square will be 2. Okay, minus, now this 12 square, 12 square will be reciprocal, so it will come up. 12 square is 144, 144. Similarly, this 8 square is 64 into 2. So how we got this 64 and 2 is that what you have is here is 8 root 2 whole square. Okay, 8 square is your 64 into this is your root 2 square. Okay, because this square belongs to 8 also and this also. This square and root get cancelled, so 64 into 2. Okay, hope so we are clear this. Now what you have now what you can do is this will be your 16 64 into 2 is your 128 minus this will be your 144 and this will be your 128. Okay, now we will do the LCM. LCM will be 128 and this will be a 16 minus 144. It has become too much congested, yeah. Okay, so now from here I am writing this side. Okay, so next time I'll make more clear with the using the another page also. Okay, so this will be your minus 128 and this will be your 128. So this 128 get cancelled, so I got 1. So what we got finally answer? I got equals to 1. So sorry, minus 1. Okay, hope so you are clear with this. Do it nicely. Okay, so hope so you are clear with this. So what happens is that this type of question is very important. So separate the triangle. Okay, it will be easy. And for angle x and for angle y, so whenever it will be y, use this value. Whenever there is x, use this value. Hope so you are clear with this. Now let's solve.